Alright guys, so this is our setup right here. We got the trolling motor, 40-pound thrust. It's not mine, it's Ben McCain's. And we got the battery hooked up to the trolling motor and my little 10-foot John boat. Just got it pushed up in here. I just shot a mallard drake 6 minutes before time was up, so that's pretty awesome. He's picking that up while I get the boat going. But yeah, let's go check that out, dude. I'm so psyched. Let's see that thing. Not bad.
Your bird.
Yeah.
Grab him by the beak so you don't mess him up.
Look at that.
There you go.
Awesome.
Studley.
Yeah.
He's got the big curl tails on his thing too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, watch his wing on
that side, is that?
No, this is the pre-wing. Watch, check that out.
Oh yeah. That is awesome, dude.
Bird.
Look at that. Look at that, dude.
Here, we'll walk out in the open. I'm telling you, when it's like, that's a good 40 pounds.
Hold on. We're set up. Decoys.
Johnson. Ready for war.
Mm-hmm. You ready, Cameron?
Yeah, buddy.
Hopefully we get a bunch of redheads today.
Oh, we will.
Oh, look at all them ducks. Redheads galore. Here with Ben and Braden.
Goodness.
We... Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Straight up. Oh my.
What a stud. Some mallards. Little mergans. That's crazy, dude.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, you got to.